So the SAVI refers to, the SAVI refers to the somatic, auditory, visual, and intellectual method of imparting the education. So this SAVI stands for the somatic, auditory, visual, and intellectual method of imparting the education. So this is a combination of different methods put together to make one good learning. Okay. Now, in non-technical terms, it is a learning through physical activities, talking and social interaction, listening and watching, and thinking, reflecting, and analyzing the respectively. So, what does this exactly SAVI resembles is? So here, it will be including some activities where I'll be interacting with the people. I will listen and watch the things and think on that one, reflecting on that one, and analyze the things that I want to understand or that I want to learn. Now, it was developed by the Center for Accelerated Learning. So this is one, the learning who are towards the education. These people develop those learnings or this model. So what exactly the SAVI stands for? Somatic, auditory, visual, and intellectual. How does exactly this SAVI works? How this learning model works? So it consists of 4 layers which have been listed below. Okay, it consists of 4 layers which have been listed below. The first one is the connector, the analyzer, the applier, and the innovator. These are the 4 ways or the 4 layers that are listed below. One is the connector. So wherein the connection to learning takes place through the tapping the auditory or visual skills of the learners. Means whatever my learnings that I have to take or that I have to deliver to my learners, that will be conducted by tapping the auditory and visual skills, like how he can visualize the things, how he can like listen to the things. So based upon that, I will give my learnings to my learners. That acts as a connector. Now, what is the analyzer? In which the observational and analyzing skills of the learners are brought into focus. Now, how well he able to observe the things, how well he able to observe the process, how able to analyze the things, that skills, based upon that skills, the learner will be focused, learnings will be focused. And the applier, where the learning takes place through the process of analyzing and doing, means whatever the analysis that I have made, that will be implemented, that will be done. Okay. And innovator, the learners who by doing and talking is an innovator, like who wants to learn based upon the doing the task as well as talking, as well as by learning. So these are the 4 layers that have been listed in the SAVI work: connector, analyzer, applier, and innovator. Very simple when compared to others. So it's I'll give some tasks, I'll give some audits, I'll give some recordings and visuals and ask them to learn it. Okay, based upon that skills. Second one is I'll give them some observation, I'll give them some things to observe and analyze the skills. Based upon those skills, my learnings will be focused. The next one is implementation, whatever the process, whatever the analyzing skill. So based upon those things, I'll be doing that. Innovator, where the person want to do the task and want to talk or like want to interact. So those, based upon those skills, you're going to learn it.